Wait, are you mining airdrop in Satoshi app and you haven't imported your core network into your metamask? Then definitely you're not ready to cash out from your Satoshi app airdrops. I am the Web3 Gossip, and you're welcome to my channel where I show you how to make money in Web3. In today's video, I'm going to show you steps on how to import your core network into your metamask wallet, so you can be able to see and get your mined airdrop token on core blockchain when it's due for distribution. So guys, let's get to business. First of all, what you need is a metamask wallet. So you don't have one, better than that low one now. So this is my metamask wallet. So what next I have to do is that I have to go to that discovery or your browser. There's the browser. You click there. They will take you here. So what you're going to search for is scan core dial and then search. Okay, so now you click the first one you see here. Now it will show you this way we come to check either how your core blockchain is doing the transactions, and you can equally import your address here, your core address, to know the kind of asset you have in that your wallet. If peradventure you have gone to your wallet and you haven't seen your asset, and your asset or your asset is not complete, so you just come here and go and scan your wallet address and check for your asset. So what next you're going to do is that you're going to go down to where you see add core wallet or core network. Look at here, add core network. Okay, so you click on that add core network. To show you this is the, how should I call it, you want to do it manually. This is what you input into the customize import network box. This is what I'm going to put. These are the details, everything, the blockchain mainnet, one chain ID 1116, the network URL. This is what this is what you're going to see. So what you are going to do next is to confirm. Make sure confirm. Some of us can be funny. Look at it. Okay, so click confirm, and it tells you new network added. Core blockchain mainnet is now available in network selection. Okay, that means it's already added to your metamask. So what you are going to do is to see whether it works. You click switch. You have switched to core blockchain mainnet. Yes, that's what you want. So you click got it. Okay, now go back. You click here. Now look at it. The core blockchain is live. Our core mainnet is live. Your metamask, for you to be able to import your metamask and your Satoshi app airdrops contract address on the core mainnet or core blockchain to be able to see your token. So if you want or you have any airdrop on core that you want to import their contact address, you let me know. I can make a video for you on that too. Okay, so that's for the video. Okay folks, that is that for today's gossip. For daily updates on airdrop, join my WhatsApp group or my Telegram channel through the link below. So like, subscribe, and drop contribution, question, or a nice sweet comment in the comments section. Until next time, make sure you gossip about somebody because definitely people are gossiping about you.